Hey guys, Ash here from hashtag and welcome back to my new video on Oppo Find X2. Interestingly, today live images of Oppo Find X2 spotted on Twitter. However, the camera module on the back seems to stand out a lot from the phone's body and we can see a periscope zoom. Almost the phone comes with 3 cameras on the rear. Oppo Find X2 and the Find X2 Pro camera configuration is leaked earlier at Bluetooth certification. However, both smartphones uses a triple rear camera setup, while Find X2 assembles 48 megapixel plus, 13 megapixel plus, 12 megapixel triple rear camera, and Find X2 Pro uses a 48 megapixel plus, 48 megapixel plus, 13 megapixel triple rear camera solution with a wide angle, ultra wide angle, and telephoto camera configuration. The phone tipped to sport 6.7-inch OLED screen with an AMOLED panel. It also supports a 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz sampling rate. But I think Oppo had 120Hz to Pro version and the standard will have a 90Hz refresh rate screen. The phone runs on the Android 10 and ColorOS 7.1 on the top. Oppo Find X2 comes with a 4065 mAh battery which can support 30W fast wireless charging and 65W wired charging. Besides, the phone will also support the next generation 5G network. Under the hood, the smartphone supports the latest flagship Snapdragon 865 5G processor. So let me know your thoughts about the Oppo Find X2 in the comment box. I will share a new video tomorrow. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more updates about the Oppo phones. And also don't forget to hit that notification bell icon. Time for watching me, Hamashkar from hashtag.